All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Roku TV Remote volume controls. You have 3 volume controls on this. This is to raise, this is to lower, and this right here is to mute. So right now I have it muted. So if I press this button, what's going to happen is it's going to come off mute. And then at the very top, you're going to see a number in the right corner. If you look, it's got a speaker with a crossbar through it. Let me do it again. First I'm going to unmute it. And then when I click on it, it mutes it. So the way I did that was I just click this, unmute it, mute it. Now what's cool is I can click the top one and it will raise the number here. You see that? Let me mute it. You see that purple line? That's showing me that I'm increasing at about 44%. I can go all the way to 100%.
This is Sarah.
I just finished cleaning up for you guys. This is my side of the house. If I want to go down, I'm going to go around. If I want to go down, I click this one right here. See how that purple line is moving down as I click it? And when you're going down, it doesn't unmute, right? Here I unmute it. Now I mute it. But if I click the top one here, watch, it unmutes. So you need to know that. If I click this one, it'll go down. If I mute it and I click this one for down, it goes down. And it stays down. So that's how you use these volume controls. If you notice, if you don't know which is which, it shows expanding sound on the top one by those little waves. You've got 3 of them. And then it shows contracted sound with 1 wave on the bottom one. And then it shows you an X. And you can see that little green dot there. That's telling you that it's muted. If I click it, well, apparently that's lit up no matter what. All right, so anyway, that's that. That's how you use the sound on your Roku TV remote. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to do stuff with this thing. Peace out.